Hey everybody, welcome back and happy Tuesday. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Tuesday morning. I'm doing great and always excited to be presenting you guys with more remote work opportunities. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the details. Before we do, check out the screen and you will see client testimonials from my clients who have had success with my resume services, whether it's been a review, a revamp, coaching. They have gotten interviews. They've also landed jobs, moved to the assessment process. So right now I do have a special and it's going to be $20 off any service, $45 or more using the code SPECIAL20. So if you've been wanting to take advantage of my services, this is definitely the time. And I also have Afterpay on my site and Klarna as well for those of you who are on a budget. So this is going to last until the end of the week. So take advantage of this sale while you can. I look forward to assisting you. So let's start with our first opportunity, which is going to be coming from Neighbors Bank. So Neighbors Bank specializes in government-backed home loans, particularly USDA, VA, and FHA loans, while also offering conventional, jumbo, and refinancing options. And so right now, Neighbors Bank does have a quality control auditor, and I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. Now, this company does have state hiring restrictions. I do have these highlighted for you here. So with this opportunity, it's going to involve conducting quality control audits of mortgage loan originations and servicing activities to ensure compliance with company policies, investor requirements, and regulatory guidelines. You'll be reviewing loan files, underwriting decisions, and processes to identify deficiencies, monitor trends, also support corrective actions, and you'll work with third-party vendors and cross-functional teams to gather information, also resolve audit findings, and strengthen quality throughout the mortgage loan lifecycle. You'll be analyzing audit results, assisting with root cause analysis, and preparing clear, actionable reports that support continuous process improvement. And you'll prepare responses to external audit findings and assist with self-reporting to investors and agencies. And you'll stay current on federal and state regulations. And so they do want 1+ years of experience performing mortgage origination quality control or mortgage servicing quality control. Experience in loan processing, underwriting, closing, or servicing a loan does not satisfy this requirement. Now, 1+ years of experience independently reviewing mortgage loan files for compliance with investors and agency guidelines. This is going to include conventional FHA, VA, and USDA loan programs, and also complete understanding of TRID guidelines and other federal mortgage regulations. Our next opportunity is coming from LexisNexis, which is a global data analytics and technology company. They provide computer-assisted legal research, business intelligence, and risk management solutions. Now, currently, they do have a data entry operator position. It is full-time. Of course, it's work from home. Now, they do prefer candidates that are in the locations listed here. That is a preference. That is not a requirement. So if you're outside of those areas, I would highly recommend that you still apply. Now, with this one, you're going to be verifying data from source documents according to established procedures and rules. Be verifying data entered with source documents and looking for repeated data, correct use of composition codes, style rules, and edits to make corrections, additions, or deletions as appropriate. And you'll search the entire application while assembling files in a prescribed sequence, identifying and preparing all necessary text, CWU, and drawings information while ensuring a product conforming to established rules and guidelines. So they're saying that no prior training or related work experience is required for this role. You must have a high school diploma though, or GED, and be able to commit up to 3 weeks of full-time remote training and work 40 hours per week. They also want soft skills like attention to detail and great verbal and written communication skills. And again, they're mentioning that they do have a preference for those living in these areas. Okay, so let's move on to our next opportunity. This one is coming from Heartbeat Health. So Heartbeat Health is the nation's largest virtual first cardiology practice. They serve patients in all 50 states. They basically function like a clinic in the cloud. So they provide remote diagnostics, virtual consultations as well, and also proactive chronic disease management. And so right now, Heartbeat Health is looking for a credentialing specialist, full-time opportunity here. And with this one right here, it's going to involve completing and managing all aspects of initial credentialing, re-credentialing, and payer enrollment for a large network of telehealth providers. You'll be submitting and tracking applications with government payers. So this could be Medicare, Medicaid, VA, and TRICARE, and also commercial and private payers to ensure active participation status. You'll be leading and mentoring credentialing staff and providing training, guidance, and quality checks. And you're going to also serve as the subject matter expert for credentialing, payer enrollment, and their connection to the revenue cycle processes. You're going to analyze denial trends related to credentialing and enrollment issues and implement corrective action, while also tracking payer roster accuracy and managing data integrity between credentialing systems and billing systems. And you will need to make sure that you maintain accurate provider records in the credentialing systems, internal databases, ensuring information is current and compliant. And you will be supporting the onboarding of new providers by ensuring credentialing and enrollment are completed prior to patient scheduling. And so with this one right here, they like a high school diploma or GED. An associate's or bachelor's in healthcare administration or a related field is preferred. They would also like 5 to 7 years of experience in healthcare credentialing and payer enrollment, so that could be telehealth or multi-state experience. That's strongly preferred. And also familiarity with RCM processes and excellent organizational skills. Our next opportunity is coming from Step. So this is an all-in-one financial app and mobile banking platform, and it's designed primarily for teens and young adults. They provide secured visas and also deposit accounts to help users spend, save, and build credit history. And so right now, Step is looking for a recruiting coordinator, and so you'll be owning the end-to-end interview scheduling across multiple time zones and complex panel interviews. You'll serve as the primary point of contact for candidates, ensuring a warm, responsive, and professional experience throughout the process. You'll also partner with recruiters and hiring managers to keep requisitions, pipeline, and interview feedback organized and on track, and also look for ways to improve recruiting workflows and candidate experiences, and you'll coordinate candidate travel and expenses. And so they like 3+ years of scheduling and coordination experience in a fast-paced startup. They want you to be self-directed and highly organized. Of course, this is remote, but there could be occasional travel for team offsites and key meetings. And they would also like a bachelor's degree or an equivalent combination of education, training, and experience. So these are all the opportunities that I have for you guys today, and don't forget that I do include these on a blog post on my website. That link is in the description bar of every single video. Also, don't forget to check out my resume revamping services and take advantage of the special that's going on between now and the end of the week. And I will see you guys in my next video bright and early tomorrow morning, 7:15 a.m. Good luck to all of you who get to apply for the jobs.